Hey guys, I'm here with Michael and Flavio from our containers team. They'll be presenting here this week everything you want to know about containers. So Michael, do you want to give us a quick overview of what the sessions is going to be about and date and time?
Absolutely. So the session is on Tuesday at 10:15 a.m. and it's more a container introduction session, how containers started, what they're about, some of the core tooling, what do we have in SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, and all the related aspects of containers as an introduction into like the basic aspects.
All right, nice. So Flavio, do you want to talk about what's next for containers? What does the future look like?
Yeah, sure. So we are going to talk about the tooling that we're going to introduce in the next year, new ways to manage containers. We are going to talk about how to run containers in a more secure way using rootless containers or using technologies like Kata containers to wrap them into virtual machines. All new exciting stuff coming ahead.
All right, so if you're interested in just getting started with containers or you want to know what the future looks like, you don't want to miss this session. Thank you guys.